So a primetime news follow-up now. Court proceedings into the murder of 3-year-old Asha Campbell failed to get underway in Port Maria, St. Mary today as 2 of the victims were not present and the health reports not finalized. The presiding judge ordered the accused killer, Devon Williams, who's been said to be mentally challenged, to remain behind bars until the next court appearance on July 18. Outside the courthouse, the toddler's mother remembered the son she said she had dreams of becoming of a police officer or soldier.
Asha was a promising little baby. In God's school, him look something every evening, him come, he hug me up and say, "Mommy, me love you. Me love you." And me say, "Me love you to baby when we there home." Any little thing me can say, Asha, go for the battle there for me, go for it. When he come from school, me say, "Come let me teach you ABC." He say, "Mommy, teacher did that already." Every evening, he baby come from school and carry one snack and say, "Mommy, sit down." Nobody don't want a better baby than that. And when he say sit down, he say, "Mommy, eat something, eat something."
Now, Asha was chopped to death on Wednesday, May 29, while walking with his mother and 15-year-old sister in Pagy, St. Mary. Both were also attacked and injured.